A warm welcome to all of you. This is Shabana Anjum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. I am from Government Postgraduate College, Chikbalapur. The session for today's discussion is 46 of Advertising and Media Management, subject for 5th SEM BBA students of Bangalore North University. The topic for today's discussion is methods of measuring advertising effectiveness. In our previous class, we had the discussion on criteria for measuring advertising effectiveness. So the learning objective of the chapter is to provide an understanding of methods of advertising effectiveness and organizing advertising functions. The session outcome of this chapter is to help the students understand the methods of advertising effectiveness and organizing advertising functions. Now let us know the methods of measuring advertising effectiveness. So the first one is pre-test and post-test. Pre-test implies testing advertising message before it is sent to specific media. Post-test implies testing impact of advertising message after it is published in any of the media. Next, we have got communication and sales effect test. So communication test measures communicability, that is ability to communicate the message, whereas sales effect test measures advertising impact on sales volume. Next, we have got laboratory and field test. Clearly, a laboratory test is conducted in a controlled environment in a limited scale. Respondents are invited in a laboratory to state the response. Quite opposite, a field test is conducted in original setting, artificial climate is not created. It is similar as conducting survey to measure what customers think about company's advertisement. Mostly, a company is interested to measure advertisements, communication effect, and sales effect. Next, we have got experimental and survey test. Experimental test involves testing advertising effect by conducting tests by manipulating independent variables, that is advertising efforts, and measuring the effect of the manipulation on other dependent variables like sales, profits, consumer satisfaction, etc. Experimental test may be laboratory or field test. Survey test involved knowing consumers' views through a survey method. Next method we have is message and media effect test. Well, message test involves measuring clarity, contents, believability, action, ability, etc. of the message. The media test measures effectiveness or suitability of one or more media. Mostly, a company is interested to measure advertisements, communication effect, and sales effect. Mostly, a company is interested to measure the communication effect and the sales effect. Next, we have got is communication and sales effect test. Among several tests, the communication test and the sales test effect test are more relevant because success of advertising campaign depends on how far advertising has influenced knowledge, attitudes, and preference of the target customers. In the same way, a sales volume is the ultimate aim of all marketing efforts, including advertising. Advertising must increase sales. Therefore, evaluation of advertising effectiveness in most cases consists of evaluating communication test and sales effect test. We have got methods for communication effect test. Communication effect test seeks to determine whether advertisement is capable to communicate effectively. Following methods are used. First one, direct rating test. In this method, consumers are asked to rate or rank alternative advertisements. They are exposed to different ads and are requested to rate them. Consumers can consider various criteria to rate the advertisement, like message contents, message clarity, coordination, and overall impression. The next test we have is recall test. It measures the retention value of ad message. The consumers are asked to listen and or view the particular advertisement. They are then asked to recall the same. The amount of contents and message they recall determines effectiveness of advertisement. Next, we have got portfolio test. Here, the consumers are asked to view and or listen to a portfolio of advertisements. They are given as much time as they need. They are then asked to recall all the ads and the contents. The recall level indicates an advertisement's ability to affect consumers' knowledge and arouse interest. Next test we have a laboratory test. The test is conducted in laboratory. Necessary equipments are used to measure consumers' physical reactions in terms of heartbeat, blood pressure, perspiration, etc. to an ad. While the communication effect test measures communicating ability of the ad, the sales effect test measures ad's ability to influence sales. Ad must affect sales positively. In fact, advertising sales effect is difficult to test because sales are influenced by many factors besides advertising, including products, features, price, availability, and competition. Following two methods are used. First one, the historical test. The test involves correlating the past sales to the past advertising expenditures using advanced statistical techniques. The results can reveal how far advertisement was effective in generating or increasing sales. The test can be used for different products, territories, and ad media or in general. Experimental test is conducted to assess impact of advertisement on sales. Instead of spending the same percent of sales for advertisement in all territories or products a company spends, company can easily judge whether high spending territories have resulted in increasing sales and vice versa. Following Now let us move on to multiple choice questions. The first question is, post-test implies testing impact of advertising message after it is published in any of the media. Before, after, during, or none of the above. So the answer for this is after. Next, survey test involved knowing consumers' views through survey method or experiment method or survey and experiment method or none of the above. So the answer for this is survey method. Next, we have got methods for communication effect test are direct rating test or recall test or portfolio test or all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Next question is laboratory test. Laboratory test is conducted in a controlled environment in a limited scale or large scale or medium scale or none of the above. So the answer is limited scale. The last question for today's session is the test involves correlating the past sales to the past advertising expenditure using advanced statistical techniques are historical test, experimental test, or historical test and experimental test, or none of the above. So the answer is historical test. So these are the references what I have made for the preparation of this session. With this I conclude. Thank you.